Hey everyone, in today's Kinsta Quick Tip, you'll learn how to redirect HTTP to HTTPS in WordPress using My Kinsta. On My Kinsta, you can easily redirect all your HTTP traffic to HTTPS. First, go to your My Kinsta dashboard, go to the site you want to manage and click Tools. Next, click the Enable button under Force HTTPS. You can use your primary domain as a destination or a requested alternative domain. Choose your desired option and click Force HTTPS. My Kinsta makes it really easy for you to redirect all your HTTP to HTTPS. And that's our quick tip for today. For more WordPress tips and tricks, visit kinsta.com/resources and be sure to subscribe to Kinsta's YouTube channel. If you have any questions, our support team is available 24/7 to help you out.